In previous videos, we looked at Sherwin Williams Pure White, its temperature, its LRV, the best situations for it, as well as colors that coordinate with it. This video is about comparison. You never want to pick a white paint color based on how it looks all by itself. Your home might need a white that's warmer, cooler, brighter, softer, and that's what we're doing today. We're going to start with Sherwin Williams High Reflective White. High Reflective White really shows us how soft and subtle Pure White is, and that while Pure White has warmth, it's not overly yellow. Now, Sherwin Williams Alabaster. Now that is a very warm white. We're kind of comparing apples to oranges here because while Pure White has a passive warmth, it almost looks a bit grayed out and murky compared to Alabaster. Don't judge it based on that. Pure White is, I'd say for the average home, more versatile than Alabaster. But if your home really needs that warmth, more creaminess, Alabaster could be a better fit. Sherwin Williams Greek Villa, another warm one, really shows us how Pure White is soft and warm, but not nearly as yellow creamy as some other whites, which is also what makes that a little bit more versatile. These are all my Samplize peel and stick. I would say get down to 3 or 4 that you think are contenders or worth exploring. Order them, place them with your interior finishes, and see which one your finishes respond best to. Now, Sherwin Williams Snowbound. Okay, they have similar LRV. Pure White is a little bit whiter, I believe. And you can see that a little bit of pink in Snowbound compared to the more soft, I'm not gonna say creamy warmth of Pure White, but in comparison, it comes off that little bit creamier. Sherwin Williams Cheviot. Some of these are from the new designer collection from Sherwin Williams. Look at that. Pure White looks downright dingy. Again, this is more showing us what Pure White can do and how not creamy white it is. A lot of people are afraid of creamy whites, the degree of yellow in them. Don't be afraid of Pure White. It's fantastic. And this is just showing how not creamy white it is. Cold Foam, same idea. That's a nice, subtle creamy white. Shows how soft Pure White is. Sherwin Williams Extra White. You can see Extra White, I believe its LRV is 86, so it's a little bit whiter than Pure White, a little bit cleaner. And Benjamin Moore White Dove, which is my favorite warm creamy white. I usually choose it over Alabaster, Greek Villa, Swiss Coffee, you name it. I'm usually going for White Dove, but Pure White is in a very hot second place. So again, order the ones that seem to make sense and place them with your finishes and see what works.